Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is colorimetry. Color means color and metry means measurement. What happens in this? In colorimetry, it is used to measure the concentration of the colored substances or the substances which can be converted into the colored compounds. In this, what we do, we measure the concentration of the colored substances by passing the light through them. First, we will look on the principle on which the colorimetry works. It works on the principle of the Beer-Lambert's law. First, we have this equation, and finally, we get this, where A is absorbance, E is molar conductivity, molar absorbability, C is the concentration of the substance, L is the length of the cuvette, which is usually 1 centimeter. Okay, so here we have this the working principle or the components of the colorimeter. We have the light source. This light source is a visible light source, tungsten usually, and we have this colorimeter which focuses all the light together. Then the light passes on the monochromator which splits it into 7 colors. Then we have the split or wavelength selector. Here this selects a particular wavelength and allows it to pass through the cuvette. Cuvette is made up of the glass or cotton. Here in cuvette we have the sample solution which allows incident light I naught and IE is the emergent light. Here you can relate with this equation. C is the concentration here. Coming back, here we have this cuvette. After light passing through the cuvette, passes through this detector. This detector is made up of the photodiode. It converts the light into the electrical signal. Then let the electric signal to pass on the display where we can see concentration or absorbance of any substance. Now coming to the applications, it's used in pharmaceutical and the food industry, used in measure the estimate or concentration of the hemoglobin, cholesterol or glucose in medical labs, used in enzyme analysis, used in water pollution checking in any area. Here we have the advantage. Advantage is that it is cheap, it is sensitive, it requires small amount of the substance. Only use visible spectrum, that is advantage. Turbidity can interfere with the results. Colored compounds only analyzed here. Now we have studied in previous lectures spectrophotometry, and in this lecture we studied colorimetry. What is the difference then between them? The difference is only this uses spectrophotometry uses a broad spectrum of light. Here we focus on only one spectrum, that is the visible spectrum. It is wide range, or it's used to study the wide range of the colors. This only focus on the colored substances. Here we study a wide range of the substances. Here we focus on only colored substances. Thank you.